All right, so this is my 2010 Diamondback Scapegoat. We got Fox float on the front. We got a DHX Fox in the back. We got a bell. It's running about 20 PSI. We got the minions on. We got a 9-speed plus a internal gear changer on the front, which makes it 18. You know, we run a little XC on this puppy. Just wait, this is the best part. We got a FSP-501 dropper. Look at this thing. All day. Comes up and down. It's great. All right, so I set it up pretty much. I put air in here in these shocks about to where it feels good. And I also run air in the tires too until it feels good. I run air in my brakes, so it's real bubbly. Honestly, I don't know what the dropper is. It could be air, hydraulic, or spring. Not really sure. I run about 20 to 30 PSI in the bell. It makes it real nice and springy. All right, my bike's name, I don't know if it has a name. I call it the green machine sometimes because of the shade of color on the bike is green. Don't have an official name, but I call it green machine sometimes. I don't assume gender, so I'm just gonna, you know. They don't have any tires. Papa John's. I like to ride trails that go in a downward motion. Vroom, vroom. On the brakes. Vroom.
Now the little exercise I just did is called basically the straight eighth feel.